Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you new stuff from Inlovearts. This is a 12 by 12 paper pad and they have many variations. I received one just to make a review and I'm going to make a project in another video. This paper pack is by Greeting. And right here, we will see first the 3 pages with the embellishments. Then it has some gold accents. Then right here, they are already pre-cut, so you just have to take them out, take them apart, and look at these beautiful embellishments. These are borders, and this one is with gold accents. And look at the flowers. And right here, some gold accents on the flower. And on the 3rd page, there are some tags. See how beautiful tags. Tags like this size right here from here. It has some gold accents as well. It has 2 of each pattern. And this one is the first one. The design looks like it has texture, but it doesn't, okay? I also got 3 sets of these paper pads, and these are 10 sheets. 5 are papers and 5 are vellum. also got something new that it's in the shop. A stamp block. See how thick it is. It's like about half of an inch thick. And this one is 6 by 6. Can you see the size with the paper? So perfect for big stamps. I love it. And they have in different sizes. See, it's so convenient now that when you make your order, you can find some blocks. And I also got one of the newest dies, and it's this one right here, and total of 4 pieces. I am very excited to use these dies and the papers, and I'm going to make some cards and a mini album. You can find the link of all of these items in the description box, okay? Right here says 12 types. Those are 12 variations of a 12 by 12 paper pad, okay? So you're going to click in here and you scroll down and you will see different patterns. This is the one that I got, see? So now, when you choose the paper, you have to scroll down and you will see type and then a code. Next to it, there is an arrow. You click on the arrow. Okay, for example, let's choose this one, done. And you go up and this is the one that you're going to get. So I was confused at the beginning, but this is how you choose the papers, and same is in your desktop or tablet, okay? So that's how you are going to do. And it's going to be the same with that small one that says, for example, 6 inches, gold, metallic, 4 types, that means 4 variations. And you can look at the images first, like for example, right here, this one looks like the ones that I have. Okay, the link is going to send you here. So what you will do to make sure that you are ordering the correct item is just click on this arrow and then choose the code, and right here you will see what you are getting. Okay, I just wanted to show you because I know that it was confused for me and might be for you. Okay, thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.